Watch the CY38.
Hey. Detail World, what it do? What it do? Y'all already know what it do, YouTube. And if you look at the weather today, it says it's 58 degrees right now, but we're supposed to have a high of 80, but you see it has a chance of slight rain today. It said it's supposed to be raining now. Well, no, it's supposed to start raining at 3 o'clock, so that's a good thing. And then tomorrow it shows that it's raining all day, which I kind of hate. But if you see us today, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 people on the schedule, 5 cars. She has 1 car, and there's 2 cars at this location. She probably live about 20 minutes from here. She live about 5 minutes from her. She live about 10 minutes from her, and she live about 10 minutes from her. So that's a good thing. And if you notice, I'm saying her. A lot of my customers are women, and women. So yeah, a lot of my customers are women. I rarely have a lot of male customers. Still throw out, you know what I mean? Still didn't get the hair done. Gonna get my hair son twisted this week. He say he don't no longer want to get his hair braided. Cut. He want to get it braided like me. So I'm gonna try to get my hair braided later on this week. But I'm hoping everything is all well. Continue to be great. Remember, you are in control of your destiny. Don't let them control you. So I'm about to go ahead and hop in this van and get to my first stop so I can knock this day out. And I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. Peace. Detail World, what it do? Y'all already know what it do. We done made it to this first appointment of the day. We out here in Brentwood, Tennessee. And right now we working on this Cadillac Escalade. Yes, it's an older model Cadillac, but it still looks nice. This is one of the Cadillacs that when they kind of stepped their game up on SUVs, like they did a great thing on these wheels. The interior of this Cadillac is one of the best looking interiors out of a lot of cars I do, just because of the leather. And then, like I said, back then they was using a different type of plastic on these cars. Like even the texture of it is different from the ones they doing now. It's because that new plastic, it got a dryish. This got more like a leather plastic feel. The other one just feel like straight plastic, and it dries out and it leaves this real ashy look, kind of like what this look like right here. That's what that new plastic kind of do. But the interior of the car, for this car to be 2016, the interior of the car holds up pretty well. I mean, it's a little wear and tear on the seats, because you know that happens when people constantly get out the car, and that's happening in my car. You know, and you constantly sitting down, pressure, things like that, but even elbow rest, things like that. But the car still is in immaculate shape. She got smaller kids, so yeah, it may be a little dirty in here. Like I said, you always gotta pull these seats back. You see how that dirt was hiding? Peekaboo, I see you. But we're gonna get in here, clean the seats. Make sure you lift up the seats, get under the seats, clean under the seats real thoroughly. You see that little extra debris that's right there. And then, you know, get under the seats right there, move these seats. I'm not gonna worry about the back. She got all her personal things back there. And this is one of the ones that start putting the DVDs inside the headrest. You look how terrible these look now compared to the ones that I show on the other cars. But I'm about to work on the interior first. Then when we're done with the interior, we're gonna go work on the exterior. Just the basic exterior cleaning, no wax, no nothing like that. We're gonna make sure we tie shine the wheels real well, hit the door jambs, run the board, things like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and get it cracking. I already got all the utensils out, I already got the mats out, things like this. And this also what helps your car stays in good shape when you got mats like this. Like in my car, I have WeatherTech mats, and one thing about these WeatherTech mats, you see all this dirt and debris that's on there. Imagine that going onto your carpet. But other than that, remember, continue to be great. You gotta have a vision. Remember, Stevie Wonder says you don't have to have eyes to have a vision. You just gotta see where you want to go or know where you want to go. And remember, hard work beats everything, and consistency beats everything, and hard work beats talent. My bad. And y'all already know, if you're new to the channel, hit that button, bloop, and I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. Detail World YouTube, y'all already know what to do, man. We done got this first car done other day. It looks amazing, got it looking good. You already know we take so much pride in the work we do, man. You know, the dedication is real. But we got the whole interior of the car looking amazing. She's out of town, so ain't like she can come out and tell me what she think about the car, but we already know she's definitely gonna be enthused with the work. We got everything done, wiped down the console, seats, doors, door jambs, things of that nature. You see the door jam, pretty clean, wheels pretty clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and park it so I get to my next stop. But y'all already know, man, stay dedicated, stay persistent, stay consistent, and I'm gonna catch you at the next one, man. Peace. Detail World, y'all already know what it do, so I don't need to tell you, but we done already knocked out this Tesla Model 3. This Tesla is so beautiful, man. Beautiful car, man. I'm trying to tell you, these electric cars are taking over, but I just read a study that says electric cars put out more emissions than gas cars, which I'm trying to figure that out when there's no emissions on the car. So it's literally the battery, like have a small leak or something. That's confusing, but that's probably the way of the government trying to stop the electric cars going on, because the oil industry want the oil industry wants you to buy cars that got gas, because it's a big business. But I'm already completely done with the car, then the interior, exterior of the car. I know I didn't show you how it looked prior to, but we've been trying to get it done because the stop I was supposed to go to first, she just said she's out of town, but her dad gonna let the car out, so we gonna go back and do it. But you see, the interior of the car came out well. Got the door jambs looking good, got the car looking amazing, the wheels look amazing. Like I said, we're in a beautiful neighborhood. You see the clouds, sun shining. About to go ahead and grab lunch. Oh shit. I just noticed my tag ain't on my car. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish these cars, man. Y'all already know. Let me go ahead and get it cracking. I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do? Y'all already know what it do, man. We're back to the next appointment. We doing this Land Rover Discovery. It's a little dirty in the interior. The exterior not really bad like most of the time, but the interior is a little dirty, like she wasted a few things in this car. But we're gonna go ahead and get in here, make sure we get rid of all the typical debris. Looking like a little bit of dog hair. Make sure we get inside the doors, things like that, clean all that dirt and debris up. Also the back, you see it got little marks, stuff like this, little tedious stuff. So that's the difference between the car wash and detailer. And we make sure we get in here and clean all this stuff up. But I got 2 cars here, and then I still got 1 more stop to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock these out so I continue having a great day. Hope you're having a great day too. And remember, man, stay motivated. Don't let the discouragement get you down. And we're gonna make it happen. Peace. No, I didn't do this video, but we got the car completely done, in and out, exterior, interior. Still got 2 more cars to do, so I'm finna go ahead and head out. You see the interior of the car came out well. Remember, we showed you all the debris everywhere, but we got the car looking amazing. She's definitely gonna be super enthused with the work, because y'all know we take so much pride, we take so much pride in the work we do over here, man. But y'all already know, continue to be great. We're gonna be great together. I'm about to head to this next stop, and I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do? We done knocked out this 4th car today, which is this Jeep Wrangler. It was at the same house where I did that Land Rover Discovery. It took us a little time to get it done, but we got the whole car knocked out. This is a daughter car. Car was a little dirty in the interior, but y'all already know we take so much pride in what we do. So we already got the job looking amazing. But y'all gotta be consistent out here, man. Remember, consistency beats everything. And on that note, man, you have to stay dedicated also. But I'm gonna go ahead and head to my next stop. Not sure how far it is from here. Need to go into the GPS and do all that. But y'all already know we got this car done, and keep doing what you do, and I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. Detail world, y'all already know what it do. I hope you know what it do, because I sure know what it do. We done made it to this next appointment. Right now, this is an Infiniti. This is an Infiniti Q50. Haven't done this car in a while. It's an older customer. She sell homes, but we gonna go ahead and work on the interior first. You know, most of the time the interior is the dirtiest, so you see all of the typical debris, sticks, twigs, rocks, pebbles, things of that nature. You see it, the seats look like they definitely need a good cleaning, things of that nature. Get up here and clean these cup holders real good, wipe down the console. You see how dusty and everything it is. Make sure we get over on the passenger side, in the back, and everything too. So we're gonna go ahead and get it cracking. Probably take us about an hour or so just to do the interior. Then the exterior is just always the normal, unless you waxing and stuff like that. But you see how dirty the wheels is, the rear wheels, things like that. So we're gonna make sure we get that nice and clean. And like always, get these door jambs, make sure the door jambs nice and clean. But we finna go ahead and get it cracking, man, because I still got 1 more car to do. And y'all already know, man, continue to be great, and we gonna be great together. Peace. Detail world, yep. We finally got this Infiniti Q50 done, QX50 done. Still got 1 more car to do. It is 5:25. We'll probably get there about 5:40. So car gonna take about an hour and a half to do. So y'all already know, man. Y'all like see all the dirt and debris completely up out the car. We did our job sufficiently. So right now, like I said, we finna let him know we done, get paid, head to the next stop. So you know, I already know what to do, man. Stay dedicated, and I'm gonna catch y'all at the next one. Detail world, what it do? Y'all already know what it do. Or do y'all want me to tell y'all what it do? We done made it to this last stop of the day. About to do this Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon G55. If you see it, it's pretty dirty, and you know once it's clean, it'll have that glow. Look at the wheels, kind of got a hazy gray look you see on the back. gray, dirty, but we're about to go ahead and work on this exterior first because the sun is almost down. You see it over there. About to get ready and go down. But we're gonna take advantage of the sun while we can, because the interior probably is bad because I didn't take a look, but I'm gonna go ahead and take a glimpse of the interior. And if you see it, it is dirty in here, man. So we're gonna go ahead and hurry up, knock out this exterior and hop in this interior. And y'all already know, man, continue to be great. We're gonna be great together, and I'm gonna catch y'all at the next one, man. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We done got this last car done, man. It's a beautiful day, man. Like I said, weather was great. It was 81 degrees. It's still warm right now. I'm gonna go home, sit on the back porch, and just enjoy my time, enjoy my night. But I'm hoping everybody's having a great day. Sorry that the camera's not trying to focus, doing something else. But we got the whole car. You remember what it looked like? Remember them tires was dirty, the paint didn't have a glow. But we got the whole car looking amazing in and out. She's definitely gonna be enthused with the work like always, because we take so much pride in the work over here, Your Way Roll Car Care Service. So when you take pride in whatever you're doing, it's not considered as the job. See the moon out already shining. So y'all already know, man. Remember, one love. Can't love nobody if you don't love yourself. Remember that. And on that note, man, like always, man, peace.
I was on YouTube. Watch the CY 38.